Hi, welcome back to RG Creation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds. So let's start video. These are a new pair of true wireless earbuds from Boat, and they promise to offer great sound quality, long battery life, and a comfortable fit. The Boat Immortal 131 earbuds come in a sleek black box. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds themselves, a charging case, a few different earbud tips, and a USB-C charging cable. The charging case is made of a durable plastic and has a matte finish. It's fairly compact and easy to carry around in your pocket or purse. On the front of the case, there are 3 LEDs that indicate the battery level. The earbuds themselves are also made of plastic and have a glossy black finish. They're very lightweight and comfortable to wear. On the outside of each earbud, there is a touch panel that you can use to control playback and volume. Now let's talk about the performance of the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds. Sound quality. The sound quality of the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds is very good. The bass is deep and punchy, and the mids and highs are clear and detailed. The earbuds also support active noise cancellation ANC, which does a good job of blocking out ambient noise. Battery life. The battery life of the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds is also very good. I was able to get around 6 hours of use on a single charge with ANC turned on. The charging case can provide an additional 24 hours of battery life, so you'll never have to worry about running out of power. Fit. The Boat Immortal 131 earbuds fit very comfortably in my ears. The earbuds are lightweight and have a low profile, so they don't stick out of your ears too much. The earbuds also come with a few different earbud tips, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Overall of earbuds. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds. They offer great sound quality, long battery life, and a comfortable fit. If you're looking for a new pair of true wireless earbuds, I highly recommend the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Boat Immortal 131 earbuds. This is today's video. Are you like my video? Please click on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.